Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you WeChat sign up problem. So first, you just have to go to your Google Play Store and make sure that you are using the latest version of your WeChat or you have installed this application already. Now, just in case you encounter situations like problems signing up, this is what you're going to do. All you have to do is simply go to your phone settings. Okay, and then scroll down and look for application management. And then tap application management. Now click app list. And then here you have to scroll down and look for WeChat application, or you can simply search that WeChat application right here. Okay, so once you found your WeChat application, tap storage usage and then click clear cache and clear data. So after that, you can go back and kindly look for battery. So once you found that battery usage, all you have to do is tap that one and then make sure that you allow all of this. Also go back and click this open by default and then make sure that you open the supported links. You can either click always ask or open in this app. The very last thing is to allow WeChat application to have access to your camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone, storage, as you can see here allowed. Okay, and that's it. By doing these methods, I hope it will fix WeChat sign up problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.